Students, next part is in another 100 ml beaker keep 20 ml of water for boiling. In another 100 ml of beaker I have kept 20 ml of water for boiling. And what is next? We have to add this boiling water, that is hot water, into the first 100 ml beaker, in which we have taken 3.5 grams of ferrous sulphate, 1.5 gram of ammonium sulphate and 10 drops of concentrated sulfuric acid. So students, now I will add this 120 ml boiling water into the mixture of ferrous sulphate, ammonium sulphate and concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, students, 100 ml beaker, in that we have taken 20 ml of water and it has started boiling. As per the procedure, now we will add this boiling water, that is hot water, in the mixture of ferrous sulphate, ammonium sulphate and 10 drops of concentrated H2SO4. And students, we will stir it to dissolve it completely. We have to prepare saturated solution, students. Saturated solution of ferrous sulphate, ammonium sulphate, boiling water and 10 drops of concentrated sulfuric acid to prevent the hydrolysis of ferrous sulphate. Students, we can see this is the clear solution. There is no any precipitate at the bottom. And now next step of our experiment. Yes, students, so we have taken 20 ml hot water in the mixture of ferrous sulphate and ammonium sulphate. We have dissolved it by stirring with glass rod. Okay, now next step is filter the hot solution to remove undissolved impurities and transfer the solution, that is filtrate, to the china dish. Please see, students, this is filtration assembly. What we have done, we have taken a funnel. In that funnel I have taken a filter paper and directly I am going to collect filtrate into the china dish. One more thing we can do, that by collecting filtrate in beaker and after transfer we can transfer it to china dish, but right now I am directly collecting it in china dish because we have to heat this filtrate for further process. Okay, so I will transfer this solution, dissolved solution, and we are collecting this filtrate in china dish. Okay, students, we can see easily we have collected filtrate in china dish, and now we have to heat this solution to concentrate up to the point of crystallization. We have to heat it up to the point of crystallization and then we have to cool it naturally. So we will go to heating assembly now. For heating, we will have gas burner, tripod stand, wire gauze. Now I will start. I will keep wire gauze on it and I will direct heat this solution on this wire gauge. What is important, students, here? To stir this solution continuously. Stirring is very important. And what is the next step? Next step is we have to heat it till or up to the crystallization point of crystallization. What is the meaning of point of crystallization? Almost its original or initial volume when reaches to 1/3, means when this amount reaches to 1/3 of its initial amount, we have to check its crystallization point. Okay. Continuous stirring is very important. Students, boiling has started. Its volume will start decreasing now. Point of crystallization. When its initial volume will go up to 1/3, its volume go to 1/3 of its initial volume, we have to check its crystallization point. How to check this point of crystallization now? We have to blow. We have to blow on the tip of the glass rod, the part which is dipped in the solution. We have to blow, and when point of crystallization is reached at that part, at that time, there will be a solid crust formation. Solid crust will form on the tip of the glass rod. When we will get the solid crust formation, that point is called as point of crystallization. Its volume has started to decrease now. We have to check its crystallization point, and we have to cool it naturally. Students, now we'll check this for its crystallization point. crystallization point and we will blow on the tip of glass rod, and you can see students, there is a solid crust have formed, and so we can close the burner now and we will allow it to cool it naturally. We will allow it to cool it naturally, and after cooling naturally, we have to see color and shape of the crystals. Students, this is 6 marks experiment. So yield of this ferrous ammonium sulphate or Mohr's salt will not check. We will check only color and shape of crystals. One more thing, students, even right now we can see color of this solution. Whatever solution is remain, this color is light green, faint green color, and then after cooling naturally we will check the shape of crystals. In diagram already they have given shape of crystals as monoclinic. Okay, let us see its color and shape. Students, we can see light green color we have obtained, but shape of crystals we are not observing clearly on crystallization. After crystallization we can see this shape of crystals, but we have monoclinic as the shape of crystals. So in observation table directly we will write color of ferrous ammonium sulphate is faint green or light green, and shape of ferrous ammonium sulphate crystals is monoclinic. Okay, thank you students.